Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ujuvemekaaj Beauty. If this is your first time of seeing me or tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and to click on the notification bell so you'll be one of those people that get notified anytime I upload a new video. And for those of you, my Ujuvemekaaj family, thank you for keeping up with me. Thank you for your love and your support. I appreciate you. In this video, I am just going to talk about how you are going to make money. I don't know if you saw my previous video, affiliate marketing. You don't need money to make money. Actually, this video is the continuity of that video. So we'll be talking about different ways we can make money today. But the fact is that a lot of people want to make money, a lot of people want to be successful, a lot of people want to be rich, but they don't want to do what successful people do. They don't want to do what rich people do, and they don't want to do what people that want to make money do to make money. That is the fact. So different ways you can make money. We are in a computer age, we are in a global age. The world has gone global. You can sit comfortably in your sitting room and you can be cashing out. I am saying this because I am a living witness. I have my own brand that I am building now, the empire that I am building, and I made all this money through affiliate marketing. The thing is that you just have to know how it works, That is why it is good to, do research, ask people questions, how they were able to, go into affiliate marketing, how they are doing it, how they are making it, and they can always, help you out. But the fact is that, are you ready? Are you ready to make money? People want to make money, but not everybody is ready to make money, So before I continue, if you are that person, you are ready, because let me tell you one thing, this video I am making is not for everybody. It is not for everybody, I am talking to those people that are willing, that are ready, because making money takes time. Making money is a process. Making money is about consistency. You have to be consistent in whatever you are doing. Even if you start affiliate marketing today, you have to put in the time, you have to put in the effort, and you have to be consistent about it. Because for you to put up your product, or you are doing drop shipping, or you are doing affiliate marketing, or you are doing a referral, which are the three processes whereby you can make money sitting in your house. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is to have your mobile phone, just the way I am talking to you people now, relating to you people through my mobile phone. And a lot of people do use their phone, to come to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, just name it, TikTok, or social media platform. And that is how you make money, So all you have to do is to use your phone to post this product. All you have to do is to share this product on your social media platform. All you have to do is to, upload this your product on your WhatsApp status. And when people see it, they will contact you, You that is promoting a brand, you that is trying to generate a sales for a company, you have to be the product of your product. That means, let me give you guys an instance. If you want to promote Ujuvemekaaj beauty product, you have to be able to represent that product. You have to know what the product is talking about. You have to be the product of your product. I don't want to buy a product from somebody that don't know what is in the content of the product. I don't want to buy a handy from somebody that doesn't know what the functions of the handy, the functions of the mobile phone. That is why we have people like consultants, whereby the process, when you go to a shop, you want to buy anything, you have to have somebody that is a consultant, a worker there, that relates to you. And when you ask a question, and to answer your question. And that is how exactly how affiliate marketing works. That is how drop shipping works. That is how a referral works. Because if you come to me today and you are trying to tell me, Ujv, I have this product that I am selling, I have this brand, a good brand, and I want you to work with the brand, you are a referrer, And I will, as somebody that, I know what I am doing, I know who I am, I will also ask you some questions, because I will want to find out if you know anything about that particular business you are doing, or that particular project, services you are rendering. So if you want to be an affiliate marketer, you have to bring out the time, you have to be consistent, you have to give it your all and all, just like you are working at your place of work. You go to work from morning to evening, depending if you're working 5, 6, 7 hours a day, and you are supposed to add value to your work. You are supposed to, give your services, and you get paid for it at the end of the month. But in affiliate marketing or drop shipping or referral, you don't have to do anything. That means you can still be working, and you can have your affiliate marketing as a part-time, whereby you will just be on break. All you have to do is to post your product. All you have to do is to check who is online, know the particular site or the place where you are going on social media. Let me give an instance. If you are on Facebook and you deal with beauty product, that means you have to go to pages where they talk about makeup, where they apply makeup, where they do makeup, and you have to post your pictures there, because you are actually attracting the main people that want that love makeup. So that is how affiliate marketing runs. That is how drop shipping runs. That is how referral runs. If you want to refer somebody to come and buy a beauty product, or to come and partner with a beauty product, just like Ujuvemekaaj product, you have to go to people that have interest on makeup, or maybe people that have something to interest, or people that have something to do with beauty. So you can easily get those people. So when you are able to get a lot of people, maybe like, depending on how good you are in referring, depending on how good you are in affiliate marketing, but I will tell you, a lot of people do cash out from all this marketing process that I just mentioned. But it all depends. Are you ready? As I said, my message is not for everybody. Actually, Ujuvemekaaj Beauty is working with a lot of women. So if you are one of those women that live in Europe and you are looking out of having more money to your money, you want to earn more extra money, you want to earn more income. The fact is that a lot of women are working with Ujuvemekaaj already, and they are cashing out. So it all depends. I am just passing out this information. Actually, people do pay to get such information that I am sharing with my audience now. So it all depends on what you want. If you are that person, you are ready to cash out this year, you are ready to make money, you can always reach me out. My social media handles, they are on my bio up there, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my TikTok. I don't know if my TikTok is there, but my social media platform is there. Or you can just come to the comment section. Ujuvemekaaj, I would love to make money this year. I have a special team of ladies. They live in Europe as well. They are entrepreneurs, they are women of value, and we come together to try to build women, whereby we can help them, support them, and so we can make a lot of money this year through affiliate marketing. But the question is, are you ready? Are you ready to make money? So if you are one of those people that is ready, and you're like, oh, Ujuvemekaaj, I want to take that bold step. I want to be able to, if I want to travel to Dubai, I don't have to go and start asking my husband. If I want to buy a bag of 5 to 1k euros, I don't have to, be looking around, be scratching my head, oh, I don't have money, and be saying it is too expensive. If you are one of those women, because actually this video is not for everybody, you can always reach out to me, and you know what, we rise by lifting each other up. We rise by supporting each other and working together, and that is what Ujuvemekaaj Beauty will be doing this year. So that is it for today. I will still go ahead and talk about the drop shipping and referral. I will give that in details, but this video is all about the easy ways to make money. So that is it for today. Thank you for keeping up with me. Thank you for your love and support. For those of you that share my video, thank you. I appreciate you, or I do see you. So if you haven't subscribed to UJV Beauty channel, you better do, because you know what, this year is a total package year. I am going to be dishing it out to you guys, hot how you're going to make money this 2022. This is just February. UJV, before the year runs out, I will be smiling to the bank. I am smiling to the bank already. I am already smiling to the bank, but I will want to take people along with me as I am smiling to the bank. So if you are that person, you want to be smiling to the bank as UJV, you know the right thing to do. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do by smashing on the red subscription button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. And yes, so you get notified anytime I upload my new videos. Thank you once more. I remain your beauty. Do have a fabulous day.